Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're really digging into something you've probably seen all over your feeds, these Tuvilo dentures. Our mission basically is to look at what they claim versus what people are actually experiencing. Because the ads, they're pretty wild. Perfect smile in just 1 second, fits instantly, no glue needed. It sounds almost too good to be true,
It
doesn't it?
really does. And that's the core question for you listening. Is this some kind of breakthrough, or is it, well, just another clever internet scam? We're going to pick apart a recent online review, a video transcript, actually, to get to the facts.
Okay, so let's start with the promise. The official pitch, they call them premium dentures.
Mhm.
And they say they fit any mouth. Doesn't matter if you have all your teeth, some missing, or none at all, which seems like a stretch.
A huge stretch. The idea of one size fits all in dentistry is, let's just say, highly unusual. They show these really polished images, neat, glossy, and natural.
Right, and to make you feel safe, they talk about bypassing the dentist, which saves money, obviously.
Yeah. And they add that 30-day free trial. Plus, this lifetime after sale service. That kind of guarantee, it's designed to lower your guard, make you feel like there's no risk involved.
Absolutely. Then there's the price, just $39? Marked down from $77. Plus, even bigger discounts if you buy more than one set at once. It just screams deal.
Classic marketing. But this is where reality starts to bite, the actual user experience. It gets, well, the review called it blurry. What people got in the mail often looked nothing like those slick website photos.
Yeah, and the function. Forget the looks for a second.
Yeah.
People reported real physical problems, things like them being really uncomfortable, feeling bulky in the mouth. And the big one, they don't stay in place. No glue, remember, but they just don't fit securely.
Well, exactly. If it's not custom molded to your specific gums and jaw structure, how could it stay in place? Especially for talking or eating. Basic physics, really.
That makes sense. It's not just a smooth surface in there.
Not at all. And this links straight to the material complaints. People expected something decent, maybe like actual denture material, but what they felt they got was more like cheap plastic, not medical grade anything.
Cheap plastic. Yeah, that's a huge difference. Not just comfort, but safety too, you'd think.
Definitely. Durability, irritation potential, it matters.
And then there were these other sort of background red flags the reviewer picked up on, like almost no solid info about the company itself on the website. Where are they based? Who are they?
Right, very little transparency.
But here's a weird detail. The reviewer specifically mentioned seeing the brand name Nestle connected to the site somehow.
Messy,
Yeah.
like the food giant.
Yeah, which is confusing. Are they trying to borrow credibility? Or is the site just poorly put together? Either way, it's a big red flag.
It absolutely is. That kind of vagueness, maybe trying to associate with a known name, it's common with questionable online sellers. It makes those guarantees, like the lifetime service, feel pretty empty if the product itself fails right away.
So, after looking at all this, what's the verdict from the review? Is it a scam or not?
Well, the conclusion was that it falls somewhere in between. It's not quite an outright fraud, perhaps, but it's definitely not a substitute for proper dental work. Not even close.
Okay, so not a replacement for seeing a dentist or getting real fitted dentures.
Exactly. The review suggested maybe it could work as a super temporary cosmetic thing, like for a quick photo, or wearing it for a few minutes. But for actual daily life, eating, talking comfortably, it seems it may not live up to the hype. Understatement, probably.
Right. So bringing this back to you, the listener, what's the takeaway here? I think it really underlines how careful you need to be online, especially with health-related products. Don't just look at the flashy images and the big discount numbers. You have to ask, what's the actual product like?
Look past the marketing gloss. And remember how easy it is now to make things look professional online. Images can be very deceptive.
So here's something to think about, our final thought for you today. When a product seems to have fundamental flaws, it's uncomfortable, it doesn't work as promised, the materials feel cheap, how much weight should you really give to promises like a lifetime after sales service? If the core product isn't right, what good is that service, really? Something to keep in mind next time an online deal seems just a bit too perfect.